awesome. Wait, Angry, what are you doing with my computer? And why did you just fill in the void? Wait, Angry, why do I have an Angry Bird skin? Angry, come here. Why are you staying in my bed, wearing my headphones, cap, using my mouse, and using my keyboard? Well, it's just for fun, okay? Okay, fine. Only this time, okay? And by the way, I'm sick, so please don't annoy me today, just for one day, okay? Okay. We finally got rid of that kid. Hey, thanks, these are his headphones. That's just funny. He's making me laugh. Okay, so I don't really know how to play Minecraft, but wanna disconnect? Maybe we can play something else. What? Snap? Oh, snap! I have the server snap. Yay! So I guess I don't really know how. Maybe I'll try to play the Lucky Luck Brawl. Maybe I don't really know. Okay, I can't find a DC. And yeah, I learned from Aki how to change my skin, and he is an Aki. Wait. He is an Angry Bird now because I watched his vids and I saw how you can change your skin. So he's an Angry Bird now. Why don't we know him with that one time? Oh no, don't attack me. I know I'm a bird, but we can live in peace. No, we can leave. No. I will come there and shoot you and make you angry because I'm an Angry Bird. Okay, I guess we don't really know how to play this game, but I guess we just let Aki. Okay, this was Birdie's video of taking Mineplex and all of. Wait, what? Why is there a message for me? Okay, apparently I have a message. So I just Birdie and I say bye.